Hello everyone, welcome back. So from this video we are going to start learning CSS. So this is the first video. In this video we are going to discuss the introduction about CSS. So let's understand why it is important for us to learn CSS and how does it help. So first of all, what is CSS? So CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. CSS describes how HTML elements are to be displayed on screen. CSS saves a lot of work for us and it can control the layout of multiple web pages all at once. External style sheets are stored in the CSS files. So all of these points are helpful for making our HTML page look good, and in the upcoming videos we are going to implement all the features of CSS. Now, why should we use CSS? So CSS is used to define styles for your web pages, including the design, layout and variation in display for different devices and screen size. So if you want that your site or website or web page should be like fit to every screen possible, then you should definitely make use of CSS. Let's move ahead and see what is the big problem that CSS has resolved. So HTML was never intended to contain the tags for formatting a web page. HTML was created to just describe the content of a web page. Like if there is a heading, then it would be displayed inside the h1 tag, then it means that it will be considered as a heading. Similarly, if there is a paragraph, it should be contained inside a p tag. So when tags like font and color attributes were added to HTML version 3.2 specification, it started a nightmare for web developers. Development of large websites where fonts and color information were added to every single web HTML page, it became a long and expensive process. To solve this problem, the World Wide Web Consortium W3C created CSS. CSS removed the style formatting from the HTML page. Now we do not have to write styles on every single page using the tags. What we can use is a separate CSS file and we can attach it directly to all the HTML pages that we want our style to be applied on. So let's see how CSS has saved a lot of work. The style definitions are normally in external .css files. With an external style sheet file, you can change the look of an entire website by changing just one file. And this is how CSS is very much helpful in the longer run. So now we have enough motivation of learning CSS. We have seen the advantages of it and how it will help us in the longer go. So with this, let's move ahead to our next videos and let's start learning CSS. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel.